Hi guys, just another quick one. We've had a lot of restock of cars and trucks and that in the last few weeks, which has been a bit of a while coming. We've been chasing down a few bits and pieces, but finally we're starting to get restocks of that sort of stuff. So we've had AMT, Revell, Aoshima. So I'll show you a little bit about what we're going through. So this is all the new stuff, or not new stuff, but the restocks from AMT, the Foos, Revell, things like that. From AMT, we've got some of the old classics, 23T Depot Hack. So, you know, if you just, that type of stuff. A lot of this stuff though is just reissues of the older kits. There hasn't been much new in this series. Revell's doing a few more new ones this year, but we haven't had many of them through yet. We've had these all sort of things there. We had some trucks. This is one of the ones reissues from AMT. Always been a classic, the Peterbilt Wrecker. That's just come in. It's got a big fancy decal sheet in it too. There's actually a good show on TV at the moment I've been watching, and one of these is in there. So it's quite interesting what they do with them and how they work with them. So that's pretty cool. Bit of mini art from Italeri as well. The Porsche 935 Baby. So that's so there's been a bit of Italeri come in. Again, more trucks, things like that. What else have we had? Bit of Polar Lights. I think I've shown you this one before, but I'll show you again. That's the Ford GT from Polar Lights. Across the top, the usual Ming and things like that. We've had those. There's a big Ladder Chief from AMT. That hasn't been around for a while. Aoshima. We've had a big shipment from Aoshima. I'm not sure whether the supplier had a big restock or we've just been able to finally get the stock through that we've been chasing. So there's a lot of the different cars in here. There's all sorts of things. One of my favourites, well, not that I'm into cars a lot, but I do like the old Knight Rider series. This is from the season 4 Knight Rider car. So that's pretty cool. Lots of Japanese cars, which obviously is what Aoshima is well known for. So there's all sorts of Situation D, Vertex, S13 Silver, Hurricane, Lamborghini. So these have all just come in recently in the last, well, since we've been able to reopen and get the stock out. Rocket Bunny, Greddy and Rocket Bunny Speed Hunters, pretty cool. So there's been a lot of that stuff come through. We've got, as you can see by the stock levels, we've tried to get everything that's currently available, so we've been able to get it in, so that's pretty cool. From Tamiya, we've had a bit of restock from them, not a lot. We did get the new Senna car back in. We did get this originally and then it sold out, so I hadn't been able to show you much. This is the Senna McLaren. This is apparently very, very nice. From the couple of reviews I've read, and I do read car reviews, apparently this is really, really nice. This is quite something. So yes, so quite a nice kit. So if you're looking for car kits or, you know, motorbike kits, we've had a few new ones come back in. That's the Monkey, Gorilla. I don't know a lot about motorbikes, but they've come in. A couple of biggies. Porsche 935 Valiant or something. So that's come in, and as I said, there's quite a few bikes come in. We are waiting on Meng's new 24th scale Ford GT40. That's due in the near future, so keep an eye on that. But other than that, yeah, we've finally been able to get some restocks into the system of Aoshima and AMT and everything else. So hopefully that'll inspire you to get into the car kits and things like that again. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. And we'll see what comes in next. See you.